Tired of spending hours crafting the perfect WordPress look? Get ready to unlock premium starter templates for free and transform your website's design in minutes. First, ensure you have the Astra theme installed and activated on your WordPress site. It's a fantastic free theme that integrates seamlessly with starter templates. Once Astra is active, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, look for the Appearance tab on the left-hand side, and you'll see a new option, Astra Options. Click on that. On the Astra Options page, you'll find the Starter Templates section. It might be labeled as Plugin Required. Click on the Install and Activate button that appears. This will take you to a screen where you can install and activate the Starter Templates plugin. It's a quick and easy process. After activation, you'll be redirected to the Starter Templates library. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see hundreds of professionally designed starter templates ready for you to use. To access the Proval designs without any cost, look for the free filter, often located at the top or side of the template library. Click on it to reveal all the premium templates accessible to you completely free. Browse through the stunning options. When you find a template that matches your vision, simply hover over it and click the Import button. The plugin will then present you with import options for a complete website makeover. Choose to import the entire site. If you only need specific pages, you can select those individually. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the import. This process will add all the necessary pages, posts, and media to your WordPress site, essentially giving you a fully designed website in just a few clicks. And there you have it. You've just transformed your WordPress site with a premium starter template, saving you time and giving you a head start on professional design. Happy building.